Hi children, good morning. Hope all of you are safe at your home. Welcome to our online maths class. Children, now we are discussing the block 6. In our block 6, we learned subtracting 3-digit numbers, 3-digit number, how to subtract. And we learned two methods, expanded form method and column method. And in our last class, in our previous class, we discussed about the column method with regrouping and without regrouping. Right? Okay, I hope you have no doubts in that. Right? Then children, suppose that if you want to buy a notebook, you may carry sometimes 50 rupees or 100 rupees with you. Right? Today we are going to discuss, our aim is estimating the difference of two 3-digit numbers. Estimating the sum that we learned in our block 5 before. Right? Estimating the sum. Estimating means we have to, how to do the estimation? We have to round off that number to nearest 100. Round off to nearest 100 and we have to add both the numbers. That is the estimation of sum. Today our aim is estimating the difference. Difference means we have to do the subtraction. So first we have to do the rounding off to nearest 100. Then subtract both the numbers. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay? Shall we start the class? Okay. So, our first question is 357 minus 123. Okay. So, first we have to find out what is the actual difference. Actual difference means we have to find out the difference using column method. So, hundreds, tens, ones, it here 300, 5, 7. Okay, and here 123 and find the difference. 7 minus 3. When we do the subtraction, we have to write the bigger number first. That you always keep in your mind. While we do the subtraction, you write the bigger number first. Okay. And do the subtraction from the ones. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the actual difference. The actual difference we got is 234 and our aim is we have to estimate the difference. So we have to find out the estimated difference. So what is the first step while doing the estimation of two 3-digit numbers? We have to round off to nearest 100. So write the two numbers first. Okay, 123. Right, then 357. How to do the rounding off? After rounding off, we get the two numbers, that is the number at the ones place and the digit at the tens place are zeros. Okay, then check the number at the tens place, the digit at the tens place you check, it is 5. So we should add plus 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. So on rounding off, we got the number as 400. Any doubts? No. Then 123 on rounding off, these two numbers ends in zeros. The two digits are in 0. This number ends in 20. Then the number, check the number at the tens place and this is 2. 2 is less than 5. So no need to add plus 1 to this number and we get the number as 100. Right. Then difference. We have to find out the difference. So we have to subtract it, minus. So see children, here 0, 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we get 300. So check the actual sum. This is 234 and this is 300. It's somewhat closer, right? Then children, after the estimation, we get the simpler. When we round off these numbers, we get the simpler number, and this calculation is so easier. Simple number we will get, and we get the calculation easier. That's why we are estimating the difference. Okay. And we can do one more example. $567 minus 421. So write 567 and 421. Okay. Then 0, 0. This we get 600. Any doubts? No. Then 421. We have 0, 0. Here is 2. No need to add. Plus 1. So we get 400, and this on rounding off we get 600. Then on subtraction we get 0, 0, 2. The number we got, the estimated difference is 200. Okay. We can do one more example. 892 minus 234. 892 on rounding off we get 0, 0. Here it is 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we have to add plus 1 to this 8. Then what is the next number? 234. So 0, 0, 2. Check the number at the tens place. This is 2. So 200. Then on subtraction we get 700. Understood? So children, we can do one story problem. A t-shirt costs rupees 229. Sorry, rupees 299. The shopkeeper sells it for rupees 101 less. About how much? About how much would the t-shirt costs then? Read the question, children. A t-shirt costs rupees 299. The cost of a t-shirt is rupees 299. The shopkeeper sells it for rupees 101 less. Okay. then about how much would be the t-shirt cost then? About how much is asked. So we have to find out the estimated difference. How can we find out the estimated difference? Because the shopkeeper sells it for rupees 101 less. So we have to find out the estimated difference, not the estimated sum. Okay. Then we can write the steps. Cost of t-shirt equal to rupees 299. Okay. Then shopkeeper sells is equal to rupees 101 less. So in the question, about is asked. About how much is the t-shirt cost is asked. So we have to find out the estimated difference. So children, we have to round off these numbers to nearest 100 first. Okay, 299. How to round off that? Is it 300? Okay, then you do alone 101, 101, rounding off to nearest 100. You do yourself. Okay, do yourself, and after that only you check on the board. We get 100. Then on difference, what is the difference? We estimated difference is 300 minus 100. So we get the answer as 200. Why we do the estimated difference? Because in the question it is asked how much is the cost of that t-shirt. About how much is asked. So we have to do the estimate that difference. Okay. Then children, there is a question in your content book, practice problem question, page number 35. A scrap dealer has about 284 kilograms of metal. He sells about 113 kilograms of metal. About how many kilograms of metal does he have left? So left is asked. We have to find out the difference. Then we have to check. We have to find out the actual difference or estimated difference. So in the question it is asked about how many. So we have to do the estimated difference, not the estimated sum. Why we are not doing the estimated sum? In the question it is asked what is left. Left is asked, then we have to do the subtraction or difference. Right? Then that is easy for you. You can do it. First you round off 284 to nearest 100. Then what is that number? On 284 to nearest 100 rounding off we get 300. And 113, 113. Round off to nearest 100 we get 100. So 300 minus 100 we get 200. So the answer we will get 200. So you can do it alone. Okay. Then children, take your workbook, page number 30, S4. Round off the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay. There is an umbrella inside that 678. So, can you round off that number? Yes, to nearest 100. It's so easy, you can do it. Then second question, first estimate the difference, then find the actual answer using the column method. Okay. So, First 567 minus 293. So 567, one we can do here. 567 on rounding off we get what is the number? 600. 600 minus 293 on rounding off we get 300. So 600 minus 300 we get the answer 300, but that is the estimated difference. So below there is a box, there you have to find out the actual answer or actual difference. Okay, then last question. Arna bought apples and gave the shopkeeper 204.05. A girl bought some apples from the shopkeeper and its apples cost rupees 405. He gave her back 196. That shopkeeper gave her 196 as the balance. About how much did Arna spend on apples? So about is asked, we have to find out the estimated difference. Can you do that? Yes, surely you can do. And children, if you have any doubts regarding this estimated difference, you can call me. Then children, now we finished 6 blocks. Okay, and in these 6 blocks you have any doubts in any blocks, any doubts, you can contact me through WhatsApp or through phone call, or while in Zoom interaction, you can ask me the doubts. Okay, then children, all of you study well, and very few are sending the homeworks to me. Very few are sending nowadays. I don't know what is the reason. So do it and send to me. Okay, then children, hope all of you are at your home. Stay at your home. Be safe. Okay children, goodbye.